my channel. Now today's recipe is very near and dear to my heart. It's my Yaya Olga's cheese bread. Now this was one of the most popular items at Giovanni's Pizza, and there aren't even words to describe the heavenly smell while this is baking in the oven, and the mozzarella and feta cheese are all melting together. Enough said, now let's get started. Alright everyone, so to start this cheese bread, you're going to need 1 pound of pizza dough. Anytime you're working with pizza dough, make sure to leave it out to become room temperature. That way it'll be much easier to work with. Flour the work surface very well, and I'm using a rolling pin because I find it stretches the dough out evenly every single time. If you need to, stretch it out a little with your hands as well. And once you have a diameter of about 10 inches, it's time to sprinkle all of that delicious shredded mozzarella cheese. This is about 1 to 2 cups, along with ½ a cup of crumbled feta cheese. The next step will be to fold over the pizza dough to completely encase the cheese. As you can see, this is a calzone style pizza. I'm pinching the sides together, making sure that this won't open while baking. And for the last step, I'm going to be putting this on a baking sheet and moving it around a little bit so that it makes this U-shaped calzone. I'm going to be brushing this with a little bit of melted butter on top to give it that gorgeous golden brown color while this bakes. Now guys, this step that I'm about to tell you is very important. You need to have your oven preheated very hot to at least 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure that it's being preheated for at least 30 minutes before you pop this into the oven. This is going to make a huge difference on how your cheese bread calzone turns out. Now this has been baking for exactly 20 minutes, and you will see that it's all golden brown around the edges as well as the bottom, and maybe some cheese ended up spilling out on the sides, which is perfectly fine because it has an additional delicious crispiness. I hope you try it out one day, and I want to give a big thank you to my Yaya for this recipe. Although she's no longer with us, she will always be in our hearts with these beautiful recipes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more of my quick and easy recipes, which are posted every other day, and they always have unique twists to them, like this one right here. I'll see you guys next time in my next video.